Mapping your way. Maps are very much common these days. You know, even a third grade kid is very easily able to see and analyze the maps. So let us also learn a little about these. You know, we all have been very familiar of using the Google Maps these days. Most importantly, any place you want to go, you will just write it into the Google Maps destination place, and your initiation, that is your current position, would be your current location, and with that you will be able to easily go to any place you want. But how to analyze these maps? Here you would notice that there is a map being made that shows the way to Rashtrapati Bhavan, and it has various routes which are being showed by different ways. You know, here are different roads that are around. So similarly, a map therefore helps us to know that there are destinations, and on the way to the destination, what all landmarks we would be facing. Like we can see the different roads by different names over here that have been mentioned. So maps are not only informing us about which way we have to follow to the destination, but also what direction should we be following. You know, you can sometimes go right instead of going to the left, but if you take right also, then also you can have another way to go up to the same destination. So maps are basically telling us, giving us a rough view of the places that are around you, and it becomes very easy because now we do not have to ask anybody, and it will be very easy for us to communicate from one place to another with the help of these maps. How to read these maps is very simple. Generally, we have all the markings made on the maps, like you can notice the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the squares like this. Now this is a central hexagon because this has a hexagonal shape all around. So there are parts that are in hexagon shape, that is why it was named as a hexagonal central hexagon. You know, there are places that have names, specific names, so even on maps we can have them. So like we can see the Kasturba Gandhi Marg, the India Gate on the maps of Delhi, right? So similarly, the maps is basically helping us to go to some place in a very easy and a very time efficient manner.